This is Tordera. It's a town located in the Catalonia region of Maritime, with about 16,000 citizens. It has 8,400 hectares, which 7,000 of them are forest. One of the oldest and emblematic buildings we can find on the mountain is the Volmania Church, finished in 1826. In 1973 a piece of land near this church became a dumping ground. All the town rubbish went there. In 1992 a town hall worker started to move papers to close it, and finally it became true in 1994. All started when a responsible of the town hall, in 1973, said that all people could put the rubbish out of the town to there. People didn't agree with it, but anyway no one ever said anything or complained about it. Years went by and people finally began to complain, until they decided to start a closing project. In this official document from the town hall, we can see the objective of the closure project: define and execute the necessary works to close the dump and restore its ecosystem. Then we have different architect draws the situation, the state of the dump in the 1991 and how it will be the future dump with its own forest and the future's chimneys. Because of the gases can escape from the dump and go the atmosphere, they put tubes. The quantity that they needed was calculated with this method that it's shown in this official document. The most dangerous gases that this dump makes are the methane and the CO2, the gas that causes the greenhouse effect. They have to put one tube every square meter. The result was 45 tubes, but they decided to put 50 tubes in the entire zone. On the other hand, one of the most polluted things that this rubbish does is the contaminated water from the dump. Since the dump is placed in a torrent, they built a pond, and when it rains they calculate the amount of water stored. The result was that every day it collects a maximum of 1,804 liters of rainfall. The price, it was a total of 14,481,175 pesetas to closure of the dump, now are €87,033. The advantages of the dumps are that we can throw all what we want there. It doesn't need technology and the people of the town don't see anything. The disadvantages are that you need a big extension of land and it produces a lot of contamination. However, dumps are necessary infrastructure to eliminate our residues. People are trying to reduce the needs to have a dump. In the metropolitan area of Barcelona there is a dump. During the year 2014, 160,000 tons of rubbish were thrown in this dump. Other towns or cities have similar cases, and so they have similar environmental problems. Such the case of Tordera. Other towns or cities can have the same problems. And it's not in the level of Spain or Europe, it's an international problem. One of the solutions, and the best, is that people always can collaborate recycling and not accumulating waste. Therefore, and for this reason, we need that people of all ages know now more than ever the need to recycle. You can see that the mountain is beautiful, but your eyes don't appreciate what is inside or if it's contaminated.